Hi everyone. Today I'm making a classic South Indian favorite, crispy dosa on a cast iron tawa using ready-made idli batter that I buy from a local vendor. It's quick, easy and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. First, remove the ready-made batter into a bowl. Add some water to adjust its thin consistency and salt as per your taste. Heat your cast iron pan on a high flame and once it starts smoking, lower the heat. Apply some oil. Use a freshly cut onion to spread it evenly across the surface. This gives the dosa that perfect non-stick finish. Now, take a spoonful of batter, pour it on the pan, and spread it gently in a circular motion with light pressure. Add a little ghee or oil or butter for that irresistible crisp. Cook it on a low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. When the top changes the color from white to golden brown, it's ready. If it still looks undercooked, then just flip it and cook for a little longer. Let's do it one more time. Pour, spread, drizzle with oil or ghee and cook it until perfectly crisp. Serve hot with coconut chutney and red chutney. I have shared both chutney recipes on my channel. Check the links in the description. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and try this crispy dosa at your home. See you in the next one. Bye.